Alright, chat, we'll get started. We got a big week, big earnings. I might talk about that a little bit, although not really playing earnings, but we'll watch earnings. Looking for things that have good earnings. That's the goal. Man, I could have bought 3M at 84. 3M at 75. Anyway, whatever on that. I was trying to get it at 99. Didn't, whatever. We'll think about that later. This music's kind of overpowering. Down a little bit. Background music. We'll go through the trades, and then if we have time, we'll scan. If not, I scan later. Make a little short later, hopefully. And by 3M. There's a big volume day here, too. I'll buy it on a pullback though. So we'll talk about 3M later. Decide on what we want to do for the week. That's what we will do. Zoom in. Sit. Here we got all the stuff we need. I put my drink in front of me so my water. Let's go. It looks pretty cool. I'll look at this later. Let's do trade. I had a crappy Friday, but whatever. Friday was no good. I had a hard time this week how to get anything going, and then I gotta go into the downside. Yeah, let's go. Let's go here. Jesus, I traded a lot this week. Really? Wow. Hey man, there's my Devon trade. What? Let's do that. Let's start from the top. I mean, no loss is completely insurmountable. It's kind of like just breaking even. I gotta make my winners be bigger. That's it. Kind of rode this little thing here is gonna go back up again. We can just keep riding it inside of here until it breaks. Yeah, just do a swing trade. It was based off of sector that's generally positive on the year. I'll keep swing trade there. Kind of consolidating in here. We'll check that out. Maybe we'll put it back on the list. Anyway, it's got a label. I think I'm good with that label. We can move on. Today was this? 23rd. 23rd was Tuesday. Did I enter this? Oh, I opened it over here. Oh, okay, they wrote it all day long. That's nice. Nice when you can do that. I need to get more out of this though. Like this trade, I need to get more out of this trade. There's nothing else I can do there. I need to get more out of it. Bullish. Patient. And then this was above VWAP. I got a lot of trades this week though, so that's good. Yeah, like right here. Like, let's go. Why didn't I do this? I got too, like, I just got chopped up. I'm the worst at getting chopped up. I just get so chopped up. If there's anyone to get chopped out and chopped up, it is me. This is what we don't want. We want to ride this to the end of the day. Above you up. These are all like really decent trades. I just need to get more from them. I just lifted weights. Can't see this arm. Can only see this one. Look, no flabber jabbers. Anyway, I shouldn't have done that. Funny. Continuation. This was for the Qs going down, and I only trade it when they are above VWAP. Oh, there we are. I don't know why I'm yawning, chat. Guess I'm just waking up. This is the 23rd, so maybe it's not putting all those trades together. And the next day I got it was the 23rd. Never mind, it wasn't. There was Friday. Friday I got all chopped up, yo. Like 17 trades is the max though. Like 15 to 17 trades, maybe 15 to 20 trades. Watching myself on the camera. How's my little animation doing? Oh, it's doing good. Sometimes it stops. Sometimes it won't work. Oh, there we go. That's been kind of glitchy. Let's see. See if it's glitching out. No. It kind of is, yeah. It's like starting and then stopping. It starts and then it stops, glitches out, starts again. So I might have to figure out my animation there. What's with my little thing there? What's my border? My overlay. What's going on with this? It's a local file. It's a loop. Look at that. I got it to go faster. That's cool. Yeah, look at it go. I don't even remember how I did that. I wanted to do it one day and I just did it. I don't even remember how I did it. I just watched the video and then I did it. Yeah, it's beside the point. We gotta finish this out. We got stuff to do today, chat. This is 22nd. This is Monday. I should be comparing this against the regular graphs. I just want to get through it though. The underlying, I should be comparing it to the underlying. VWAP. That's the same play over and over and over again. Exciting there. W pattern here. Okay, moving on. I don't think it's putting together the trades. I wonder if it's like how they come off or how they're registered. They seem strange to me. Like, I don't think these are all totally different trades. Like, because I'll buy some and then take it off gradually. I scale in and scale out. I did yoga the other day. Yesterday, my shoulders are sore. Biceps are tight from this morning's workout. All the way. Yeah, I think these are like similar trades. I don't know that these are all different trades. I still haven't put my risk down, like what my risk is. Oh, and then next week too, I have to do month in review. Halfway through the year already, everybody. Look at this chop. 24th. Chop, chop, choppity chop, chop. Uh-oh. Intel adaptive driver. Deal with that in a minute. Like, you can't trade a video, you can't trade this. Like, this is, it's good to give it a try, though. Alright, chat, gotta keep going. I was just thinking. These must be Friday. Oh no, these are 22nd, Monday. Damn, kinda took a hit on Monday. Dow was not going down that day. Yeah, I noticed it was like a doji candle. These candles weren't great. I did kind of get it on a pullback, though. I could have waited to down here, but by that point it really is... It's kind of over. Like, it's not... Yeah, I mean, this didn't really recover. This thing was just choppy. Was this Friday? This was Friday. Like, look at this chop. I got stuck in here. Like, it didn't do anything until like 8 o'clock. I mean, that's the thing too. I guess if you see, you see it kind of going up and down around the VWAP, then like you don't mess with it. You wait. We needed to go get her toy. Steal Goobus's toy. What am I doing entering? This is not where I'm supposed to be entering. Like, I already know that. Let's not do that. Let's not enter. We gotta wait for pullbacks. And this was choppy. I mean... It's sideways. Alright, got through them all. Let's take a look at... Look for the month here. Yeah, it's like break even. Six. Oh yeah. And we're gonna try to trade stock. stock. Yeah, I know that. $199, so between 20 and 50 bucks. It's because of Boeing. Boeing kind of pulls the average here. $7 and 10.30. I just did stock. Mondays, Thursdays, Tuesday, Wednesday, you gotta go full size. Monday, Friday is still a caution day. You throw the options in there, everything's bad. So yeah, I don't know about options. I don't know. I think I'm giving them up. Giving them up, like, yeah. Giving them up like a bad drug. I mean, look how much I'd be up if it was just stock. I mean, we can't think that way, but like we know that that's what we have to focus on. So fewer and fewer and fewer options. Yeah, we can't, no. We're done with options. I think the problem with options is just like when you lose, like if you win, it's good, but like the losses are so spectacular. It's like, I mean, and there's nothing you could do. Like you can't mitigate anything. I don't know. I can't do options. I have to do stock. I just had the one bad day, like, I can undo this day. Yeah. More wins and losses. It was just Friday. Friday I got chopped up. But Friday could have worked, but like, it just didn't happen until like after 8 o'clock. Like, I just wasn't at the charts then. I wasn't looking. I didn't plan anything out. Like, you know, it's just hard though when you're not at the desk to make that decision. And I didn't really know what the market was doing. It was so choppy. Alright, let's look at the tags. This I have to do next weekend, but we'll just get a preview now. And looking for those trends, really it's just a trend following thing. It's like something's going up, so we want to keep looking for those uptrends slash downtrends, like the trend. You want to look for the trend and then take it from there. Some things you won't. Like, it's just the way it is. Check out the month. Goober? Goobus? Oops. Okay. Yeah, I just need to make my winners bigger than my losers. I have more winners than losers. Alright. And this includes everything? Let's make sure the filters are right. Yeah, okay. So make sure winners are bigger than losers. That's what I need to do. Alright, let's go ahead and let me pull up. I gotta get the image here. Anybody go see Deadpool Wolverine? I did not do that. Interesting stuff here. Oh, blood test for Alzheimer's disease. That's good. I'm on Twitter. I'm not saying what I'm doing. Just scrolling. Really, I came here for the Earnings Whisperer. That's what I came here for. Their chart. I have my own chart now, but this one I always go back to. The visual is appealing. Doesn't it always include everything though? It's just kind of what they're interested in, not really what I should be looking at necessarily. Oh, Snapchat's on here too. You didn't put it on here. Yeah, big week. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, all the big boys are going. Big earnings. Go ahead and save this for later. Is the profit market will go up and down, up and down. Like, it won't, probably won't do much. Well, there's also FOMC meeting. Big earnings week and FOMC meeting. Let's go. Big week. Alright, let's take a look here. But then it's going to be really important after this week to really find things to trade. Because everybody pretty much goes this week, and they've got the FOMC, which I think they'll solidify their intentions, what they're going to do. So it's going to be really important to get some sort of longer term trade on next week. That will be very important. Alright, let's do a few little scans for funsies. Builders. Oil and gas services. Financials, industrials. A little drawdown here. And then I think so there are semis that keep the IWM or the Russell up and afloat. They have earnings next week too and the following week. Gotta keep an eye out on that. Let's look at XLV. Let's go do a little healthcare scan. I haven't done one of those in a minute. Go to biotech. Search. I'm looking at my stuff right now, chat, sorry. Yeah, big earnings in the long-term savings account portfolio situation here. This TLT would be interesting to trade. That thing's gonna explode. Like, either up or down, depending on what Powell says. That might be the one to buy the call or the put in. I don't want to do options. That was my thing, right? Not do options. But that would be maybe the place that I would do it. So like if it did do it, I'd do it there. And then this SPY position might do something too. It's either gonna kill me or it's gonna be and then with earnings I need to keep an eye on it too. Alright, I was supposed to look at healthcare stocks. Okay, so we got some biotech. Let's change this here. It needs to be updated too. Alright, go through our ETFs as well. Make sure they're all up to date. Oh, they already had earnings. Okay, that's good. They did had earnings. They did all right. They just survived it. Okay, that's good. Focus on the 1 hour and the 1 day. Okay. Let's sort by volume, which I think it's doing. It appears to be. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Like a day trade. Let me put it on the, I mean, I think it's on like a list. Get it on the list. Getting the journal ready, chat. Gotta be able to write my list down somewheres. Wait, when are we supposed to leave? Okay. Oh man, it's August, chat. August. Holy smackaroni, chat. Uh-oh. Notion froze. There we go. Yeah, I kind of need this at the top. Like, I gotta fix the structure of this. Viking Therapeutics, here we go. Oh, they had earnings, and they're gonna have a weight loss drug, like, and down here is the exploded higher. I kind of want to keep it on the radar, though. You know, it is on the radar, so to speak. It's in the one watch list. It's never left that other watch list. Gilead. Is this gonna be it, or is it gonna try to... Should have bought it right here. This was kind of the buy point. It would have to pull back because it's done 1, 2. It's gonna do a third one. As earnings though, so I'm gonna skip on it for now. Check it later. This one keeps popping up. Insight Corp. Earnings though. It's this one. Whoa, look at this 1 hour chart. Consolidating. Interesting. What kind of volume? Doesn't move very much on the 15-minute. Been on the daily is kind of lame. Kind of volume. 3 million volume. I could probably do better. Let's go to healthcare products, search. Sort by volume, which I think it's doing. Seen this one before. Aventor. Already had earnings, big pop on earnings. Okay, this is on the radar. AV, PR. What's with the situation here? What's the sitch? Tell me about this company, chat. Let's take away the level 2 because the market's not open. Revenues decline. Sales are in line. What does this company do? Critical products and services to customers in biopharma, healthcare, education, and government. Oh, they make chemicals. Let's see here. The company offers materials and consumables such as purity chemicals and reagents, lab products and supplies, formulated silicone materials, customized excipients, customized single-use assemblies, processed chromatography, resins. Cool. It's like a company you'd buy supplies from. Net income, earnings per share. Oh. Hey, this is on the books, man. This is good. This is what you want to see. Well, maybe not. It's probably just gonna go back down. It's at a peak. If it breaks through this, I guess we could set an alert here. It can break above. It could go up to 28. Look at that. It's got a lot of upward resistance. Good chart though, I guess, right now. So A, B. I don't want to trade that. They poison children, so we're gonna go to Boston Scientific. Estimated actual. Room for upside. Maintains outperform. Has things in a crazy uptrend. A little dipsy doozy. And we're out of earnings. The gap down here. They're gonna want to fill this gap, then go up, like hit its 200 and then go up. Alright, this one's on the list. This might even be a swing trade. So, Boston Scientific for a swing trade. Now, what does it want to do? Does it want to resume the green or resume the red? What does it want to do, chat? We'll keep it on the list. We might even keep the chart on the list too. Because it did pop to 80, and if it wants to go back there, that's a $5 move. That's decent enough for me. And then like all these outperform. I mean, I don't know what this means, honestly. It feels like it has no weighting either way. Like, I think you have to play it out in the long term, but plus I need to write down all the things like I need to do. Like, I've got some things I gotta finish things for like my regular job, and I need to finish things for this one. Like, I really need to sit down and really understand these earnings reports. I kind of understand them, but right now I'm just kind of playing the price action. Like, I can't dig in there and like, do the numbers gymnastics with them. I want to learn that's something, because that's where the keys are. That's the keys to the castle right there. You can understand some of that, you have a leg up. You can kind of read things about the company that, I think they can hide things in numbers, but you could also find things in numbers too. What was this one? This one is healthcare services. Okay. Super downtrend, man. This thing's been beaten up, yo. And then it did a reverse split. Okay. Okay, we got a reverse split pullback to $6. It might go to $7. We can keep it on for a day trade. Day trader. So CMAX for day trades. What's this one? CNC? I've seen this one before. This is Satine, yeah. There was something about Warren Buffett in this stock, something like that. I don't remember. Is it trading sideways? What is this doing? No longer term. This is 3 year, 1 day. What are we doing? Kind of sidewaysy? Sidewaysy, if that's a word. It broke above. It's above its 200. It's past earnings. It's not really in an uptrend though. It trades sideways. Yeah, I mean, pretty much. I mean, you can get up to 100, but it pretty much just stays here. So max height here, like 81. I mean, it trades in this range. So it's like at the middle of its range right now. So it has a little ways to go if you wanted to play it for a small move. But I don't know. It just trades sideways. So CY, what's CYH? YH. This thing's making some moves, yo. Oh, it's been trading about the same price. 15 is the highest it's gone. Kind of making a move here. It might be able to go to 15. Coming out of a... I made it to 5. If we can make it to 7, I could probably make it to 10. So CYH. YH. Okay. Yeah, I need to go back to, I just had a thought in my mind of making weekly lists that I put on the side of my trading. Are we going? Alright. That's not too bad. Oh yeah, look. See the wheel, see. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I was looking at my arm earlier. Okay. Let's go. We have one more here. Pharmaceuticals. Search. And Pfizer coming from the dead here. Oh, and this thing was in a drawdown. Whoa, what are earnings? October. I don't know, man. This is like a short. This has got to like the longer term trend here. Kind of like a super range, but not super great here. This chart, I don't like it. I do not like that chart. It's like probably a short though. Pfizer. Man. No more Rona, no more Pfizer. Pfizer doesn't come up with a weight loss drug. I don't know what they're gonna do. This is like trading Intel. Like, or worse than Intel. Intel, if Intel is gonna do anything, it's not gonna be until they actually finish that factory, because otherwise it's just gonna suck all their money. Oh yeah, CVS, they still around? Not really. Some people say Amazon and whatnot's gonna like take them out because they're in the farm. Man, CVS was 110. I was like 2 years ago. Already 2 years ago it was that price. And Rona's not even on the charts anymore. We're past it all, chat. This thing's a short. These pharmaceuticals seem to be shorts. Unless they have a weight loss drug. They have a weight loss drug, yes. If they don't, no. Tiva's doing alright. I've traded Tiva before. Is it on kind of an upswing again? It's got a little uptrend trying to form here. It's earnings at the end of the week though, that's why. AbbVie I think already had it, but they're expensive. First stock I bought. Well, it might have been, well no, I think it was. I think this was, remember I bought it at 117. It's like, oh, this is expensive. Oh, it's expensive. But I bought it because Warren Buffett owned it. Is this positive? This is good. Like, this is a really good chart. Like this, look at this earnings. Like, man, keep this uptrend going, yo. He's a little pullback. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on AbbVie. Maybe I'll break my options rules and we could do AbbVie. Oh man, J&J. I've traded J&J, but I can only do the options though, which again, we're trying not to do options. I think it's still a short though. This does not look like AbbVie. AbbVie is like the strongest chart out of them all. Alright, we'll look at Merck. Merck had a strong chart. I remember that. Yeah, it has a great chart. This has a great chart. And there's a little bit of a pullback. Let me put Merck on the chart here.
Market
on the
data
list.
Connection lost.
Oh. MRK. Okay. Interesting variety there. Anybody else? VTRS. It's cheap. VTRS.
Market data connection re-established.
$12. Over-the-counter business. I don't know what's going on here. It's like a tippy top and earnings are coming. Nah. Alright. That was actually a good little search. I like that. I kind of like what I'm seeing there for some of those. And then, yeah, my long-term idea is like filtration and air conditioning. That's where I gotta be looking. Let's look at Honeywell. Whoa! Oh man. Oh, it's still $202 though. The big dipsy doozy. Damn. Why is it still $200 though? Oh man. Oh, it's down on its 200 though, yo. Oh. What happened in earnings? So they're gonna take something public. Sector perform. No financial terms. Man, they do all kinds of stuff. So they have an aerospace segment. They make engines, radars, flight safety stuff, communications. They make aircraft wheels and brakes, spare parts. They make switches, instruments, video surveillance, fire products. Jesus, they make a lot of stuff. Huh. Honeywell makes a lot of things. Honeywell. Wrap it up, wrap it up. Man, it's $200 a share, but it's right where you need to buy, motherfucker. I don't know, I'll think about it. I shouldn't have said it like that. Anyway, we got to roll out, chat. We got some good healthcare stocks, though. Looking at those, I'm excited about those. Actually, I'll do another look-see at those. So we did a little healthcare scan. We looked through the trades. We know that we have to try to push those winners to the max. Okay? Push them to the max because we have more winners than losers. We do have to deal in stock, though. Have to deal in stock. So we'll think about that going into the week. Big week ahead. We have big earnings, and we have FOMC in the middle of the week of giant earnings. So it will be volatile.
Market data connection loss.
And remember, this is for educational and informational purposes only. It's not meant to be financial
Market data
recommendation or
connection
advice.
reestablished.
Trading is risky. Do your own research. But if you are a trader, here is to a safe and profitable trading week. And if you like what you see, make sure to follow us at Wilsfirst so you always know when we go live. Hit the like and subscribe button. And I try to put out a short later today. All right then. I didn't hit the mute button either. You heard everything I said. That's good. But thank you for stopping by, and have a good trading week.